I'm gonna show you how to make this trending format super customizable with Adobe Express.
First, I'm going to open the app and then search Sky to start a new project. After that, I'm going to make it the size that I want and add the main text. For mine, I'm going to add Nelly. Change the font and resize and pick a color that I like. After that, I'm going to search shapes for burst. I chose one that I really like. I'm going to move it around and change the order as well as the color. I'm going for a pink here that's a little bit warm. Then I'm going to choose a photo that I want to remove the background. This is a picture of my dog, Nelly, so I'm going to add her here and remove the background and put her right where I want her to be. After that, I'm going to change the color of the star just a little bit because I want it to be a little bit warmer. Then I'm going to adjust my text. For this, I'm going to actually add a drop shadow because I wanted a bit more contrast. And then I'm going to add the subhead, "This dog is a good girl." Change the font to something that has no serif and the color. And drag it to the top of my frame, reverse the colors there for more contrast. Then I'm going to save it and share it with my friends.